Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate tools with Adobe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy affiliate tools with Adobe, begin by opening your Adobe account. Navigate to the Adobe Experience Cloud dashboard. Select the Tools section from the main menu. Once in the Tools section, look for the Affiliate Tools option. Click on the Affiliate Tools link to access its features. Review the available tools and choose the one that fits your needs. Click on the Setup button next to your chosen tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize tool settings. Input the required information, such as affiliate links and promotional content. Be sure to review your selections carefully before proceeding. After configuration, save your settings. Next, access the Launch tab to begin the deployment process. Choose the appropriate environment for your deployment, such as development or production. Confirm all details to ensure accuracy. Click on the Deploy button to initiate the process. Monitor the deployment progress in the provided status window. Once deployment is complete, test the affiliate tools to ensure functionality. Check the links to confirm they direct users to the correct locations. Review any analytics provided for performance tracking. Make adjustments as necessary based on your findings. Finally, keep the tools updated for optimal performance and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.